So this lick is from the song Love Yourself. We have two chord shapes to learn. First chord is 7th fret on the 5th string, then you have 9th fret on the 3rd string and 9th fret on the 2nd string. So we hold these three notes, and with our right hand we pluck 5, 3, 2. So 5, 3, 2. So we are using index finger on the 3rd string and middle finger on the 2nd string. So we pluck all three together. So that's our right hand. So just we'll learn the shape and then I'll come back to the right hand what it is doing. So this is your first shape. Second shape is you just take down this first shape down 1 fret and lift your little finger and place your second finger on the 2nd string 7th fret. This is your second shape. So first shape, second shape, and take down this shape, same shape, to 4th fret. This is your third shape, the third chord. So this is first, second, third. Then the 4th chord you climb to 9 and 11. So 9, 11. Then you come back to the first shape again. After this you come back to the 7 and 9 to the first shape, and you end on to the 6th chord with your second shape. So this is your first, second on the 6th fret, 4th fret, then you climb up to 9th fret with first shape on the 7th fret and second shape back to on the 6th fret. So these are your chords. So on the right hand what I'm doing is like plucking all the three string together on the first, and then the second count is like you are playing your second string with your middle finger and you slap on the third bit. So this is your right hand part. So once you get this, you can just shift the chord. So keep this tight and you can easily slap on the strings. Okay. Yeah. So when you repeat this part, you need to bar to get this hammer on the 9th fret. So you can add up when you repeat this part. So I'll play both the parts together. Hammer on,